intersections and unions. The union of two or more sets creates a set that includes all the elements of the original sets. Logically, unions are associated with the word or, since the elements can be in at least one of the sets. For the union of two sets, an element can either be in the first set, the second set, or both sets. Which elements are in the union of sets A and B? Since all the elements are in either set A or set B or both, the union of the two sets include all of the elements. So A union B includes all of the integers from both set A and B. And you'll notice in this diagram, since both set A, set B, and the intersection of the two are all highlighted in yellow to indicate that every element of set A and B are included in the union. The intersection, denoted by this symbol right here, an upside down U. The intersection of two or more sets only includes elements that are in all the sets. Logically, intersections are associated with the word and. For the intersection of two sets, an element has to be in both sets. Which leads us to this question. Which elements are in the intersection of sets A and B? The intersection of sets A and B only includes elements that are in both sets. Notice in the diagram that the intersection of A and B includes three elements, 0, 3, and 8. So the intersection of A and B is the set 0, 3, and 8. A handy way to remember the symbols of intersection and union is to observe the similarity between the symbol U and the letter U for union. Since the word union begins with the letter U, the symbol resembles a U. Then the intersection is the other symbol. I refer to it as an upside down U. Example number 1, intersections and unions. Which elements are in the union of sets B and C, denoted by this symbol here, B union C. B union C are the numbers 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. The union of sets B and C includes the elements that are only in one of the sets, the light yellow, or in both sets, the dark yellow. So expanding on this a little bit further, think of union as combining the two sets. Everything in set B is combined with everything in set C, including the overlaps. So you'll notice here that 2, 3, and 4 are in the overlap or the intersection. They're also included in the union. One other thing I want to point out is that the numbers 1, 5, and 11 are not included in the union of set B and C because those three elements are in neither set B or in set C. Example number 2 of intersections and unions. Which elements are in the intersection of sets B and C? It's denoted by this symbol mathematically right here, B intersects C. The intersections of sets B and C only includes the elements that are in set B and C, located here in the light blue letters. So the intersection of B and C includes 2, 3, and 4.